Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of BUFF.163.com. So if you've ever used the Counter-Strike game and marketed of the Counter-Strike, you will probably have got across this platform. So this is basically a Chinese platform that will provide you with an opportunity to trade your games. And once I tried to dive deeper about this platform, I got to know like their BUFF.163.com domain is specifically for the Chinese, and for the international trading you can see like they have also a website which is at BUFF.market. So they provide you with a lot of options to purchase different items for your Counter-Strike games. And once I tried to search about the reviews of the people about this platform, I got to know it has a pretty much decent rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars, and which is based on 964 reviews. So this is a really good signal about this platform, and it is an excellent rating, and people saying that they have no complaints about the site, and it has the best market and easy deposit and low prices because they provide you with the international transaction and deposit options. So in conclusion, I would say like this platform is not a scam, and a lot of people are using it, and you can try it out. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video, and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.